I just found a NASDAQ setup that can drop up to 720 pips right here, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I found it, why it's a high probability setup, and how you can trade it step by step. All right, so let's get into it right now. So let me show you what is happening right now. So we have a very nice rally based drop supply zone with a break of structure with anticipation of liquidity at this level right here, and we have a nice order block on the lower time frame right there. So what we want is to see the market come into our area, then look for a confirmation, then we are going to sell all the way to this level right here. So this is a potential 1 to 33 risk to reward ratio. Let me go to the higher time frame. I show you exactly what is happening right there. So if you zoom out all the way, you're going to realize that of course we've had this downtrend for some time right here happening on NASDAQ, right? We've seen this market going to the downside for some time, okay? And then now we've seen the market also start to pick up right here. So if you can start from here, you can see that the market gave us a high, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then higher low, and then we were given a lower high. What does that tell you? It tells you that the market actually failed to break this high and then created a lower high. And then after that lower high, what did we have? We had a lower low. Let me show you on the 1 hour time frame. So it's really important that you learn how to read price action, because most of the times everything is just going to be in front of your eyes. So you can see higher low, higher high, higher low, and then the market fails to break this higher high and formed what? A higher low. So after that higher low was formed, what happened? Let me go to the 30 minutes time frame. So after this higher low was formed, what happened? The market tried to make a lower low, and then it made a lower high, and then what happened? The market made a new lower low. Okay, so what does it tell you? It just simply tells you that the market has shifted from this bullish momentum to the bearish trend right here. And then what happened? So you can see that on top right here there was a zone which is a rally based drop, right? However, this was taken out by this. So if you go to the 50 minutes time frame, you're going to realize that that order block is no longer valid, because the market tapped into this level twice, at this level right here and also at this level right here. So this level is no longer valid. Then what's the next level that is still valid? Is this level right here. So you can see we have a nice rally based drop supply zone, and then we have anticipated liquidity which is at this level right there, and then you can see that there was also a break of structure, and as it is right now the market is retracing to this area right here, which gives us a chance to actually be able to participate in this trade right here. So for my stop loss, it's just going to be above here. Let me go on the 3 minutes time frame. Let me see if we can actually see our order block right there. Let me just zoom in right here. Yeah, so you can see we have our order block very clear right here. The last bullish candle before the bearish move is our order block right there, and my stop loss is going to be above that level right there. So my stop loss is about let me just check for you guys. My stop loss is about 21 pips, and I'm targeting about 720 pips. So for my target, let me show you where I had to go to, because I'm anticipating a bearish move, and because of that the market may pull back all the way to this level right here. However, my other target will be at this level right here, because I know once the market comes to this level, something's going to happen. The market might actually reverse from there. So it's all about being cautious and aware. So this is my final target. I would actually I'm going to keep on trading my stop loss if the market continues to go in my direction. Otherwise, this is an area where the market can actually reverse from. Otherwise, this looks really amazing. And guess what? Once the market actually comes to our area, we'll be able to make a decision whether to actually sell or to stay away, because as we follow price action, we don't know exactly what's going to happen. As long as the market gives me an opportunity to actually enter, I'll be able to do that. And like always, what I do here is I set an alert, and then once the market comes here, I'll be notified whether to enter into this particular trade or to just stay away and everything. And for staying this long, I'm going to share with you guys another bonus forecast I'm looking at right now, which is on gold. Beautiful setup. Let me show you right here. So if you go to the higher time frame, always do your multiple time frame analysis, guys. Always do your multiple time frame analysis. So you can see the market has been pushing to the upside very, very nicely. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. What can we see on the 1 hour time frame? Let me just show you guys. Okay, so beautifully see the market giving us higher high, higher low, higher high, then ultimate higher high, and then the market gave us a higher low. After this higher low, what did the market do? Gave us a higher high. Let's go to the 50 minutes time frame. So it's very, very important you learn how to read price action. So after this higher high, we had the higher low, then a higher high. Perfect. And then what happened? The market dropped to actually give us a lower high. Okay, very, very interesting. So we had a lower high, lower low, lower high. What does it tell you? It tells you that the market has shifted from this bullish momentum to now a bearish move, right? So you can see that from now we've seen the market now form. So this was the ultimate lower low, lower high, and then the market gave you a lower low. And then what happened? The market gave you a lower high again. So it means that the market has changed direction from being in an uptrend to a downtrend. And you can see that after this low was formed, the market gave us this high. After that, the market dropped with big momentum candles to the downside. Perfect. And what did it leave us? It left us with a nice order block at the top right here. So let me show you what you do. So you can actually see something right here on my left. Let me just show you exactly what that is. So that's what we call a price cycle. So we have a consolidation, and then we have a big push downside, we have point, and then we have a reversal. So right now we are waiting for a reversal. The market has done exactly the same thing right here. So you can see we had a consolidation right here, then we had where the market was accumulating orders at this level right here. So after this consolidation, what did we have? We had the big push to the downside, which we call an expansion. After this expansion, market usually leaves behind an order block. So your job as a trader is now to go on the lower time frame, find your order block, and then you wait for the market to pull back to that particular area. And then once the market has done that, you just wait for the entry signal and then you execute. This looks really, really amazing, and I'm going to actually also just wait for the market to pull back into this area as the market opens in the next few hours. Otherwise, this is the exact replica of this. This usually works because we are now trading to the downside. Therefore, there's a very, very high chance that the market may actually reverse in our direction. And this is a very beautiful set. Let me show you. It's about a 1 to 15 risk reward ratio. We are risking about 24 pips, and our target is like 375 pips, which is like a 1 to 15 risk reward ratio. This looks really, really amazing. As always, the forecasts have already been shared in our private community, and once the signal has actually come, I'll be able to share this in our private community. And as always, if you're not in our community, you are definitely missing out big time. So if you are interested in actually being able to analyze, trade, I've always shown you. The link down in the description has you access to our MASTRY course, which comes with lifetime mentorship, lifetime signals, free trading journal, free trading plan, a one-on-one with me anytime you don't actually understand any of our concept. And definitely once you're done with this course, you must be in a position to actually trade on your own. I become useless because you no longer need me, and that's our game. That's the reason why we created our MASTRY course. All right, it's my hope that you actually found value in this video. If you have, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, and watch more of our videos because they contain so much value. You guys, until next time, goodbye.